How to turn on or off car mode for Spotify app. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on or off car mode on Spotify app. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for Spotify app. Now look for updates, and if there are updates option available, then click on it to update your app. If not, go back to your home page and open the Spotify app. In Spotify, make sure you are logged in to your account. From your home page, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner. From this slide, select the option Settings and Privacy. Now in your settings, you will see options like this. Scroll down to the very bottom, and here under the option Devices, you will see Car. Click on the Car option to access its options. Now inside, you will see the option to turn on or off this mode. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.